Hey there, fellow gardeners. Welcome to a world in which your backyard is not only beautiful, but also incredibly productive. The DIY projects that we introduce in this course are guaranteed to make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. Picture this, your very own backyard oasis brimming with bug-free greens and luscious fruits, all achieved through ingenious DIY techniques that shield your precious crops and squeeze every last drop of potential out of your space. Sound enticing? Then you're in the right place. Whether you're a dreamy-eyed beginner or a seasoned pro looking to sprinkle some new magic into your plot of earth, this course is tailor-made for you. I've got your back with hands-on techniques that'll not only transform your garden, but also empower you to wield your green thumb like a pro. We'll start by growing flourishing plants right on your porch. Master the art of creating stylish yet functional planter boxes that nurture your plants while making your life a whole lot easier. Trust me, these babies are game changers. And if critters have ever treated your garden like an all-you-can-eat buffet, our deer-proof fences will have Bambi looking elsewhere for a snack. Oh, and did I mention the secrets to berry production? Say goodbye to sharing your raspberries with birds and your strawberries with chipmunks. Now let's talk about insect pests. Of all the problems out there, those are the ones most likely to tempt even organic gardeners to spray. Why not instead opt for a one-time structural fix that'll keep bugs permanently at bay? Are you ready to roll up your sleeves and create a garden that's as impressive as it is delicious? Then keep watching as we dive into the DIY gardening projects. So before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the course, I just wanted to tell you a tiny bit about the Walden Effect team. I'm Anna Hess, the author of The Weekend Homesteader, plus a bunch of other books, and behind the camera, that's Mark Hamilton. He's the inventor of the avian aquamizer, which revolutionized backyard chicken keeping. So when we come at gardening projects, we come at it from two very different points of view. I like to look at the ecosystem perspective, so I'm all about improving the soil and making sure that my plants are growing in a way that's going to make them thrive. Mark instead looks at a gardening problem, pulls out his drill gun and says, I can fix that. Which is a long way of saying that this course is basically the result of about 15 years of my honey-do list filtered through Mark's inventive streak. He solved my gardening problems, and I hope that he solves yours too. So the other thing I want to tell you before we go into the heart of the course is about our supply list. We did take the time to write out all the supplies you'll need for each project, and we made that into a PDF which you can download, which will definitely make your shopping a little easier if you decide to give any of these a try. All right, let's get our tools out and get ready to build a better garden. So I want to talk to you today about our Porch planter box, which is awesome for a few different reasons. One reason is you'll notice this beautiful tomato plant is doing really well, even though this is the last week of September. In the garden, almost all of our tomato plants have got blighted and died by being up out of the ground a little bit. This has kept the molds down a lot, and so this is doing a lot better here. Another great thing about this planter box is that, again, in our main garden, I lost track and the battery died in our timer for our drip irrigation. It hasn't been getting enough water for the last month, but out here Mark comes out 2 or 3 times a day, checks on it. If it needs a little water, he'll give it a little water. It's always at peak growth level, which brings us to the final point, which is that it just gets a lot of attention here, and everyone will always tell you the most important fertilizer is the gardener's attention. Your porch planter box will get the maximum amount of that.